Are there words to your song?
Piano, I'm a piano. I'm singing piano. I'm the.
Are you?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, thank you. Is it a yummy piano? Is it an apple piano?
Apple piano.
Where are you going?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Cadence.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye. Where are you going? Can you play another song for me? On an apple piano?
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Cadence.
What are you doing down there?
Shoes?
No.
A bag?
No. A bag.
A bag.
Yes, a bag.
Cadence, can
Okay,
you
bye.
sing another song for me?
I
Are
don't
you-
have any more songs. I want some more apple.
You've got more apple in there.
I don't want some. Those are too short.
They're not long enough to play piano on? Okay, I'll
Just
go.
take them away. They're too short. But they're too short. Play piano.
You could try.
I don't want to try. There, Mommy. I don't want some. I'm
Okay.
done. I'm done.
Okay, well say bye.
Bye. I'll meet you tomorrow when you're bigger and growing.
Okay.